Hey you guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this Paint by Line flower cutout. I'm going in right now with the color Peony, and this is a Dixie Belle chalk paint, and I am base coating this with the number 12 brush from our website. And of course, I just want to let you guys know that you can purchase the paint. These brushes that I'm using, the cutout, the Sharpie marker that I'll use later, you can find it all on our website, buildacross.com. The color I'm using right now is soft pink, and you can just go in with that same number 12, or if you want to swap for a smaller one, you can. And I really think that this particular cutout would be super cute as like a attachment on a wreath. I know some of you guys like to do that, use the cutouts inside a wreath, and I just think that the shape of this, it just would look really good like that. Now I'm going in with Barn Red, and it is the darker of the two Dixie Belle Reds that I use. The other one would be Honky Tonk Red. This is the one I prefer just personally. I like the deeper red versus the brighter red, but if you wanted to go brighter, then definitely the Honky Tonk Red. They're both really pretty. And again, just still using that number 12. The number 12 is definitely my favorite brush to base coat with. And then as far as like highlighting goes, I really like a number 4 round. Again, that's in that brush pack. And if you choose to outline with a Sharpie marker, then you won't need this specific step. But if you want to outline with a paintbrush, there is a 3/0 brush in that packet that is really great for that. This color is Lucky Lavender, one of my most used colors. It's just a really pretty lavender color. And I just swapped for a little bit of a smaller brush. This is a number 4 round, just to get in those little detailed areas so I don't mix my paint. And I'm using that same number 4 round to go in and use the peony color again for the accent color on this soft pink flower. And of course, if you guys have any questions about technique or the colors I used or just anything about our products, you can just write a comment below and I will get back to you guys as quick as I can. I'm using the color Colonel Mustard now. It's really great for the center of the flowers. If you wanted to do a softer yellow, however, the color Daisy would work as well. And then I'm going to go in with my final base coating color, which is Evergreen. Or wait, no, this is Limeade. Definitely one of my favorite colors. Just a really bright, pretty green. Alright, now that everything's dried completely, I'm going in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and outlining everything. And all I do when I'm outlining is just follow the lines that are etched into the cutout for me. And it just makes this super easy. It makes it such clean lines. Now, of course, if you want to use a brush, that's fine as well. Like I said, I would recommend the 3/0. And also below, if you guys paint this product, we'd love to see how you paint it. So you can comment it below. That's always really fun to see kind of how you guys interpret these cutouts and kind of the way that you choose to paint them. And then once I'm done with my outlining step, I'm going to go in with that number 4 round and the color Cotton, which is Dixie Belle's Whitest White. And I'm going to highlight everything following the natural curves of my painting. And I just like to do that step to brighten everything up. Gives it kind of a whimsical finish. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, and comment. And have a wonderful day.